Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Oh no, Toby, look out. I'm about to step on Toby. So, yeah, I'm back on my feet. Yeah, back to about 50%. Those didn't hear, I strained my back really bad over the weekend and was laid out flat for a couple of days, but I'm mostly upright now. I'm not going to be doing any riding for several more days, I'm sure. But I'm going to try to get into the garage today and maybe knock out a couple small little videos. Haven't put a video out in 4 days now, 5 days or something. More importantly, I am itching to get out here and ride. The weather is beautiful, it's nice and cool, light breeze going. But it's gonna have to wait a few more days. Yeah. Anyway, hey, be looking because I am gonna try to produce 1 or 2 small videos today, just tinking around here in the garage because that's about all I can do. Can't lift anything really, a couple pounds maybe. So chances are I'm not gonna be moving these e-bikes around too much. But hey, anyway, that's it. And keep the channel alive because you know what? When you don't produce, post content regularly, man, the channel dies so quickly. Yeah, I looked at the statistics this morning. There's like just a few people been on the channel today. So that's another reason why to try to get some videos out and try to keep the channel moving forward. So when you see my videos, please, please, please hit that like button for me. Keep the channel alive, even in my absence. All right, guys, that's it. I will see you here soon as I get ready to make a video. Take care.